Welcome. If you're looking to prevent your friends from seeing your activity on Roblox, you've come to the right place. In this updated guide, we'll show you how to keep your gameplay and actions private from your friends. Let's jump right in and get you set up with these simple steps. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on the three dots or the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. In the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will open up the settings page where you can adjust your Roblox preferences. Step 4. Now, tap on Privacy. This is where you can control who can see your information and activity on Roblox. Step 5. Scroll down to the Other Settings section, and you'll find the option labeled Update Friends About My Activity. To keep your activity hidden, simply select No, and that's it. By selecting No, your friends will no longer see updates about your activity on Roblox. This is a great way to keep things more private and maintain control over what others know about your gameplay. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.